Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, it's been a wonderful, wonderful holiday. I just wanted to come this morning and say Merry Christmas to you and thank you. Thank you for hanging in there with me for 25 days. And now I'm going to take a short break if I can. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my sister Bernie, my brother Franklin, for watching, I think, all of my videos. Thank you to Shayla Deshay for your continued support. Those are just a few people that I saw on most of my videos about every day. And I am going to catch up now that this is the last day of Vlogmas. I'm going to enjoy my family on this Christmas day, and I hope you do the same. I hope everybody in your family is safe and happy and doing well. For those of you that may have sickness or some other challenges in your life, I pray that God will bless in the way that you need Him to. Thank you again. And as I take my hair down, I want you to know that in the next few clips, you will see some highlights from my anniversary last night. It was really, really nice. Really, really nice. I had a wonderful dinner, a good time with my husband, and I'm going to put in a clip of the two of us. Well, a picture of the two of us so that you will see, yes, who was celebrating last night. And today we celebrate Jesus Christ. So again, have a very, very Merry Christmas. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He sent His Son into this world that I might have a right to eternal life, that I might be saved, that I may be able to live according to His promises and do those things that He would have me to do, which are according to His will and His way.